Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Playful Rewards to work properly on your iPhone. Let's get started. Playful Reward is a feature in some apps that lets you earn rewards by watching short videos, playing games, completing simple tasks. If it's not working, it usually because settings are not enabled. First, open Settings app on your phone. Now tap on General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. An updated iPhone helps Playful Rewards work smoothly. Now again go back and tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Tracking. Turn on Allow apps to request to track. This helps Playful Rewards to track actives, games and give rewards. Open the app that has Playful Rewards. When you see a message asking for tracking permissions, tap Allow. If you already denied it, go back to the settings, then tap on Privacy and Security, then Tracking, then turn on the switch for that app. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Playful Rewards will not work properly without the internet. And that's it. That's how you get Playful Rewards to work on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.